loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a full lemonade theme set up and I am so excited because last week I wasn't able to finish it up, but today you get the whole nine. I have the balloon backdrop, the tablescape, and I'm also gonna have the lemonade stand kind of like a bar on the side. So all right, if you guys want to hang out with me, just keep watching, but if you want to get to the tutorial, go ahead and fast forward to this number. All right guys, let's get to the video. All right, so I just did a last minute Walmart run. I want to incorporate the color pink into my setup because all the yellow can be a little too much sometimes, or just it's been done. So I'm always thinking, how can I make it different? And people have done the pink as well because there's pink lemonade. But I decided that I do not want to paint my faux lemons because I used them a lot for my corporate events. They were like $2 a bag, $2 and some cents for this bag. And this is pretty cheap because you go somewhere else and they are over $4, $4.99 usually. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint these in pink. This is gonna be a challenge because it's in the oval round shape. So probably just gonna put skewers on them. And here's the color, berry pink. We're gonna place them here so we can paint them. Why are these so big? Like, this is not natural. That's why they're $2. See, these are the organic ones. Look at this. Look at that. Yeah, scary. Skewer through it. I'm gonna dig a hole here. And now I'm gonna put it through here. There you go. So I'm able to paint it. Put it in some more. Oops, oops. Okay. Now we're gonna go outside and paint them. This is heavy. All right, let's go. All right, guys, it's the next day. And the lemons are done. Nice and dry. Some spots did go unpainted, but that's okay. Very minimal. I blew my balloons yesterday and now I'm gonna put them in bags so I can take them to the backyard. Okay, so I'm going to put this centerpiece together, nothing too complicated. I got this, look at this. How beautiful is this? I got this from HomeSense and so pretty. So I'm gonna use it as my vase. I was playing around with some other stuff, but I think it's casual enough for the whole setup that I have. It's kind of sophisticated / casual. So this will be perfect. All right. So I have some lemon branches. Like I said, nothing too complicated. And I'm just gonna throw it in here. I'll make it a little dramatic in a sec. I was playing around with it yesterday because I do have to play around with it first before my final. I don't like to just like, I mean, I do wing some things. I be winging it, but some things you just can't. Sometimes you have to, you know, see how it's gonna go first. These cats, man. No matter how many times I say no table, it doesn't matter. They're not like dogs. I think dogs listen. Cats, they don't. But you're so cute. Why are you so cute? I'm gonna add some Italian ruscus to it to make it fuller, a little more dramatic. This is the good side. See that? A little more dramatic. So I have a bunch of these Italian ruscus because they just go with everything. Let's see how that looks. You gotta get down. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No. Now we're gonna add couple of these. It looked way better in my head than what it looks right now. Okay, that might change a little later, but for now, this is where we at. All right, so my husband is finally taking that down. Look at that. And this is the mess we have here. And now I have to take this down so I can build it back up. You hear the birds? I love my backyard. I love birds. So peaceful. They're loud too. I wonder what they're saying. I am a little concerned about the next few videos. I'm not gonna lie, because May is gonna be so busy. I already had a hard time making content for this week, so I gotta figure out how to make easy content for the next couple of months. I don't know, maybe I'll just do smaller DIYs or something, vlogs. I don't know, guys. My husband told me to just not take any more balloon jobs, but I like my independence, you know what I mean? You look so handsome this morning. Look at the muscles.
Just this morning?
Look at those muscles.
Just this morning?
Every morning, but particularly this morning. I find you very handsome right now. You didn't. I wasn't fishing for a compliment, babe. When you give somebody a compliment and they come back with, "Oh, you're cute too," or "You're beautiful too," like, you know, just take it. Just take it.
I take it.
There you go.
I got it.
Like it never comes off like genuine when somebody says, "Oh, you're pretty too," right after you. I know you tell me all the time, but I'm just saying. So when somebody compliments me, I don't compliment them back. Unless they are really cute. Yeah, look at how your muscles are popping out of your shirt. I wish you could see his face. You don't know how to take it. I'm gonna start with the balloon garland, and these I didn't make my typical clusters. I made them all a size 7, I'd say. Look, about a 7 or 6, and they are 5 quads in each per color, and I have 3 colors. This one is lemonade, this one is pixie, and then I have regular yellow. I ordered these woven baskets from Amazon. You've probably seen these. And I'm going to place them all around the backdrop so it can be a cute little lemon scenario there. I'm going to hang it with fishing line. On to the greenery, and these are Italian ruskis. I'm sure you guys have seen these walls with baskets and stuff like that with fruit and greenery in it. I only see it when people buy those very expensive baskets, and I'm like, goodness gracious, they're spending a lot of money on those. I'm gonna make the budget version of this. I'm going to add clusters of 3-inch balloons, and I call them grapes. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it right there. All right, let's move on to the tablescape. Everything was going smoothly until, yep, that was his behind knocking my lemons down. And then the wind.
That wasn't me. That was nature.
This is how you answer after being together 17 years.
That gust of wind just came out of nowhere.
Yeah. So we're gonna start the tablescape with this beautiful pink stripe tablecloth. It is linen and it has little ruffles at the bottom. Next, I'm going to use these shabby chic placemats that I found at Home Goods. I got these probably about 2 months ago and I fell in love with them. As soon as I saw them, I knew I had to snatch them. I knew I was gonna use them eventually, and the day is today. And guess what I got in here? Haha, yes. Those beautiful lemon plates from Dollar Tree are the best. I was so impressed when I saw these. I mean, come on, look at that. For, I think it was $1.25, right? Can't remember. Maybe they were $3. These look very expensive. I mean, Dollar Tree, you did it. Keep it up. I'm going to be using bamboo silverware, and I am in love with these. How can you fall in love with silverware? Isn't that crazy? For glassware, I'm going to use red wine glasses and these pink goblets. So pretty. Look at that combo. Very nice. I love it. Now we're going to bring in the centerpiece I made earlier. And we are going to place it right here in the middle. Not bad. I like it. It looks good. It looks really, really pretty. For those of you who skipped the beginning, I painted some lemons in pink so it can go with the pink lemonade theme. And I want to place some of them on the plates. I'm not feeling it. All right, so now I'm going to add 4 lemons to the center of the table, like a runner. I ended up only using the yellow lemons on the plates, and I added the pink ones to the lemon runner. And then I have these that I bought so long ago. I don't even know why I bought them, but I'm going to place these on here. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of styling in the background, and that's it, guys. I love this theme. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know your thoughts on this video, and make sure to share with your friends and family members. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, especially on Instagram and Facebook, because that's where I am more active, and that's where I post all the behind the scenes and where I post all the pictures of these setups with me and my family, etc. Yeah, all right guys, until next time, bye. See you on the next video.